Welcome to my students. Let us discuss about the cylinder. Class 10, Pashchim Bangho Madhya Shiksha Porshad. At first, we discussed about the base of this cylinder. This is a cylinder. This base is called circle. You know well that the circle, the area of the circle, the formula of the area of the circle. So, please tell me about the area of the circle. Yes, area of the circle is pi, and this is the radius of this base, that is r, this square, and the unit of this area is this 2 multiple of unit. This is unit square. So, area of the circle of this cylinder and the base of this cylinder is a circle, and this area of the circle is pi r square, unit square. If we get many circles and placed it one by one vertically, then we will get this cylinder. This is the right circular cylinder. What is this? This is right circular cylinder. So, if we place this one by one, this is vertical way, and we get this right circular cylinder. So, let us assume that this is the h times of this circle. H times, so this is h. So, the total volume of this circular cylinder, right circular cylinder, what is this? This is h number of circles. That's the volume of this right circular cylinder. What is the unit of this cylinder? Here 2 units. We explained previous chapter in the previous class, and here we explain that these 2 units and this 1 unit multiple together. So we get unit cube. Here it is, the formula is volume of right circular cylinder. So students, if I give you a maths about this formula, on this formula, you will, is this easy to solve it? Now, I will give you a small but interesting question, and you will solve this. If a right circular cylinder with 7 meters of height and radius of the base is 2 meters, then what will be the volume of right circular cylinder? What is this? This is a right circular cylinders, and we ultimately we solve this problem to use this formula pi r square h, which we are practiced in previous chapter, and here we will discuss about this uh, previous sometimes. So we will get this formula. At first we write this formula. What is this formula? Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder. What is this? The formula is this phi r square h. What is the unit? Unit cube. Here 2 unit and here 1 unit. Multiple together we get 3 unit. So cubic unit. Here we put the value of this unknown pi. Here we put 22/7 or 3.14. Here we put about 22/7 and r, here the base, the radius of the base is 2 meter. So the base, the radius of the base here, if this is the cylinder and the base is this, so the base of the radius of the base of the cylinder is here. This is r. So r is 2 meter. There here is square, then we multiply 2 and here is h. So the height of the right angular circular cylinder is 7 meter. So here we multiply 7, which is height of this right circular cylinder. And what is the unit? Here we mention the unit is meter. So the unit is meter cube. Then we will get 7 and 7 and 22 into 22 into 2. Here we get 88 meter cube. So you get this formula, and you also understand this formula. Thank you for today. We now discuss about the volume of the right circular cylinder. Next day we will discuss about the area of the cylinder. If we my new batch with upcoming day, so this is the June approximately. If you contact with me, then you will contact this number 9064-110 and 765. This is my phone number. If you need to, you contact with this number. This is the West Bengal Board's mathematics. If you want to teach your students or your child in CBSE and ICSE board, you will connect with me or contact with me. Thank you for today.